When you want to eat this sugarcane, you start by taking care of the outer what? By peeling it. Are we together? Ukishatoa hii ngozi ya juu, the next step you do is to continue or to start enjoying this part, which is sweeter, which is juicy, which is softer. You enjoy the sweetness of this sugarcane. Along the whole process, you reach to this hard joint. Mnaitanga aje kwa Kiembu? Irongo. When you reach to the Irongo, or Irongo ni jina ya mtu. When you reach to the hard joint, what do? You draw in the sugarcane and you get tired. Is that what you do? What do you do when you reach the hard joint? You crack the joint. You ngangana to ensure that you crack this joint. Why do you crack the joint? Because you want to reach to this part, which is softer, which is juicy, which is sweeter. You don't give up when you face challenges. Challenges will every time be there. You don't get tired when you have issues. When the government ama price ya sukari ikienda juu, wangapi waliacha kukunywa sukari? Nimeona gari zimepakiwa hapa mingi, hizi zote zimepakiwa hapa na mafuta ni almost 200 shillings. And I think it is the same way this parking was when the fuel was at 100 shillings. When difficult times comes, please, you come up with ways to move ahead. Don't be every time kusema maisha ni ngumu, maisha ni ngumu, maisha ni ngumu. Imeishi hivyo. Since I was born, I've never found a certain point. Watu wanasema, sasa mambo ni mazuri sana. Inua mkono kama mwaisikia. Maisha imeishi kukuwa ngumu. Nayo ikikuwa ngumu, hata unakuwa namna gani? Ngumu, you crack the joint. Tell your neighbor. Crack the joint. Challenges will always be there. Crack the joint. Because by the end of it all, when you crack the joint, you reach the part which is sweeter, which is juicy, which is softer. And that will be the success of your children that you are investing in.